How to factory reset your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Erase all content and settings below. But before that, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to backup. Erasing will sign you out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. Then, tap on Continue to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily factory reset your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.